Davinci, Framed by Davinci. We are back with another episode, and in today's episode, I'm giving you my unboxing of the NEEWER Basics FL10 LED flashlight. Shout out to NEEWER for sending this over. So let's get into the video. So I'm gonna open this. This is the NEEWER FL10 10-watt LED photography flashlight. Shout out to NEEWER for this. So I'm just gonna get this stuff opened up. Let's do an unboxing here. Just open it up. Okay, first you get this little bag. I don't know if you can see that. Little carrying bag. I'm gonna put that aside. Okay, so this looks like a little, it's almost like a snoot cover. Open this up. I'm assuming this goes over the flash. See that? See that? Little snoot cover. I'm gonna put that aside. Oh, okay, so it is like a real snoot. So here you got like all the different patterns look like you can kind of put on the wall like a real snoot. Wow. And there's a lot of them too. It's probably over 25 here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20 different snoot shapes that you can put over top. You can see that. So that's pretty cool. Okay. Put that aside. And now it looks like the actual flashlight. Okay. So we'll get rid of this box here. USB-C charging cable. You can see that. USB chargers. And this is it. This is it. The NEEWER Basics. What is this? The FL10 10-watt flash. So it looks like, you can see there, it looks like, I'm assuming there's some RGB features to this. I'm assuming you can just, I guess, put this snoot over it here. And then you can take one of those templates, and you just put it over, put it in here. Actually, let me see if I can just slide this thing in here. There you go. Different shapes. Put over the flashlight. There it is. There it is. I think what I do like, one, you got your USB-C charger here, but I like that you have a screw thread. Can you see that? You have a screw thread there, and then you have a side screw thread right here. So you can treat that screw thread there, and then a screw thread there. So you can either, you know, mount it top, or you can mount it kind of like a regular flash. So that's pretty cool. And that's it. So thank you to NEEWER for sending me this. I will definitely have a follow-up video of me actually using this flash. So make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you never miss an episode. Thank you, NEEWER.